Hello everyone, now we will talk about the distance formula. We will start this with its derivation. Pasabot asa gikan ang distance formula. So, if we are to talk about the distance between A and B, tanawon nato ni A and B. So that is, kung ato ning butangan diri og line, so maka-form siya og right triangle. So ang right triangle, and kana siya, the distance between A and B is nag-serve na siyang hypotenuse. And remember, by the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, or c squared, equals the sum of the squares of the legs. Okay, so that will be, ang legs niya kay kani A o B. So, ang square daw aning C, or c squared equals the sum, i-add ni mo ang square sa legs. So that will be a squared plus b squared. That is the Pythagorean theorem. Now, what if, let us say, C here is the distance between B and A, or A and B. So, and x sub 1, y sub 1 are the coordinates of point B. Unya, x sub 2, y sub 2 pud si point A. So, makaingon ta nga ang distance kaning horizontal distance, di ba ang horizontal is dx? Ang coordinates ani niya nga point diri, we have unsa ang iyang x ani niya diri. The x here is x sub 2. Unya ang iyang y diri is y niya is y sub 1. Kung kana siya diha ang point. So kung atong tan-awon, this point here, gikan diri sa B, padulong ana nga point, muna siya si A. So, ang distance na A is the same with ang x sub 2, ang distance nila, ang difference nilang duha sa x. So, that will be x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Kung diri po ta magtanaw sa B, tanaw na to ang B, then, that will be the difference sa y. No? So, ilang distansya. So, B is equal to, the coordinates niya, we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Kaya ang vertical change, and that is the difference between the y nila, no? So, kung ato ning i-substitute ning values sa A o values sa B, i-substitute nato sa Pythagorean theorem. And ato pong ilet nga si C is the distance. C is the distance between A and B. Then, ang formula is mahimo siyang C is D. We have D squared equals A is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus B squared. So, B is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, squared. So, we have now the equation nga atong gi-substitute ang mga values nga atong nakuha kung nana siya coordinates. So, to find D, we'll have to find the square root of both sides of the equation. So, the square root of D squared is D. So, we have the square root of this one is still, dili naman na siya ma-simplify. So, we have here squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And this is now giunsa pag-derive ang distance formula. Muna ni ang atong ginatawag nga distance formula. So the definition of the distance formula is the distance D between points A, or the first point x sub 1, y sub 1, and B, x sub 2, y sub 2 may be found using this formula. So mo to kaganina. We have D equals the square root of the difference of the x's. So we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 then squared plus the difference of the y's. We have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, so ato na siyang i-apply to solve the distance between 2 points sa atong example. So we have here atong example, find the distance between A, nga ang coordinates niya negative 2, negative 1, and B, at 0.47. So we will use the distance formula. So ato sang i-assign, no, para dili mo maglibog. So we have here the first point is A, -2, -1. So we will let this as mo ni ang first point. So we have mo na siyang x sub 1, kani ang y sub 1. And then B, we have 4, 7. So mo ni sila ang second point. Mo ni ang second point. So we will assign this as x sub 2 and y sub 2. So we will solve now the distance using the formula for the distance or the distance formula. So D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Yan. Then we will substitute sa atong mga gi-assign diha. Atong i-substitute. Okay, kopihon na to. Then we'll have x sub 2 or the second x is 4. So we have 4 minus x sub 1 which is -2. So that is 4 minus -2. And then squared plus y sub 2 is 7 minus y sub 1. Y sub 1 is -1. So 7 minus -1, then squared. Okay, now we will simplify. I-simplify nato ni. So we'll have 4 minus -2. That will become 4 plus 2. Diba negative times negative is positive. So that is now 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 squared. Plus 7 minus -1. That becomes 7 plus 1. So mayroon na siyang 8. 8 squared. Okay, then simplify. Ang sulod, 6 squared is 36 plus 8 squared is 64. Ayan. So we'll have the square root of 36 plus 64 is 100. Correct. So, what's the square root of 100? 100 is a perfect square and the square root of 100 is 10. So, we have now the answer. The distance between the 2 points, -2, -1, and 4, 7 is 10. Okay, we will have another example. Given the figure, find the distance between E and R. So we have here, looking at the figure, darang figure nara si E, dara si R. So kung tanawon na to sa problem, wala gibutang, but then naasa to ang figure, naatay point diri nga given. So as you can see, E is located at 1, 1 and R is located at 2, 4. So how far is E from R, or what is the distance between them? So same, we will use the distance formula. So the solution. So we have here the 2 points. We have 1 and 1. Actually, pwede na sila magkambyo sa diha imong first point as ang imong second point. But to this example, for me, kani ako ang first point si E. Okay, mo ni x sub 1, then y sub 1. And then, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so we'll have the distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, then we will just substitute the values. Ipangpuli ra na diha. So we have here, what is x sub 2? X sub 2 is 2 minus x sub 1 is 1. Then squared plus y sub 2 is 4 minus y sub 1 is 1 squared. Okay, then simplify. We have here 2 minus 1 is 1 squared plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 squared. Then simplify further. We have 1 squared is 1 plus 3 squared is 9. And we have square root of 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10 is not a perfect square. Wala po siya perfect square nga factor. So muna na ang iyang simplest form. So we have D or the distance is square root of 10. That is the distance between 1, 1, and 2, 4. So we're done with the distance formula. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will answer the activity provided at the end of this video. See you next time.